Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make raw kefir. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 quart of fresh, high-quality raw milk and 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains. Ensure your milk is truly raw and unpasteurized for the best results. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band to secure it. These simple items are all you need to begin your kefir journey. To start, select a clean glass jar, ideally a 1 quart size. Next, you'll need your raw milk. The quality of your milk is crucial, so choose a reputable source. Finally, acquire your milk kefir grains. These are living organisms, so handle them gently. Avoid using metal utensils with your grains, as this can harm them. Plastic or wooden spoons are preferred for stirring and handling. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Gently place your 1 tablespoon of kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Pour the 1 quart of raw milk over the grains. Do not seal the jar tightly. Instead, cover it with a breathable cloth or coffee filter, securing it with a rubber band. Let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 18 to 24 hours. Once your kefir has thickened and smells tangy, it's ready to strain. Use a fine mesh plastic strainer to separate the grains from the finished kefir. Gently stir the mixture to help the kefir pass through. Store your fresh raw kefir in a sealed container in the refrigerator, where it will stay good for up to 1 week. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.